Soft Cookie, and I'm back with a video. This is more like a home decor video for you. I'm adding some luxury items in my home, and I'm doing it on a budget. And guess what? We both can budget. I save money, you save money, and this is not a promo video. I don't want you to think that. But I paid out of pocket, and this is definitely a better deal than paying $200-$400 for roses. So a lot of celebrities and YouTubers, they've been receiving the forever rose, and you're probably going to see swarms of them for Valentine's Day. Now, you may have missed them for Valentine's Day, but actually get them for a birthday or Mother's Day. Just plan accordingly because they're coming from China. I purchased from AliExpress. I'm going to leave the links in the description below. I purchased the roses and the case, so I will have those two separate links below. And the case was probably the better deal that I have seen. Amazon have it, but I have the 16-hole acrylic case, and it was just cheaper. Sometimes AliExpress, their prices fluctuate, or you can get a coupon and save additional money. So the roses came in this styrofoam box. It was taped, and then my address is on the top, and the roses was housed in this case, and it has 8 places where the roses sit, and I just bought 2. So this is a video of me opening the acrylic case. It was in a plastic shipping bag, and this is what it looked like once I pulled it out. So it was wrapped in bubble wrap, and then the acrylic case was in a box which was protected with styrofoam. It was in great quality, and I am so happy with this. Like, I was thinking that it was going to be cracked or broke, but it came and it looked terrific. I can't complain. Here I am just opening the roses, and I'm going to pull the roses out and start placing them in the acrylic case. So there are different sizes. They're supposed to be 4 centimeters to 5 centimeters. So I'm just kind of like, getting a feel of it and just trying to place it in the best looking spots. And also I dropped one, which you will see me putting it back together. It wasn't hard. I just kind of layered it together. But that was completely my fault and not, the company that sold the roses. roses look like. And I pinned them down on the bottom by the stem just so they wouldn't move much. I'm taking the case off the top. And so they're like a bright red. So I'm pretty sure they was dyed. Like my fingers were a little red after dealing with them. And if you notice here, it's like a leaf, the green part, but it's red. So they were dyed or painted or some sort, but they're definitely real, but they went through some type of process to get them this red. So I just think that they are so gorgeous. I'm doing some home decor things in the home. I don't know where I want to put them at quite yet, but this is what they look like. Go ahead and get you some roses in different colors. Just check out your reviews if you decide to go with some other merchant. Just wanted to come and show you some, you know, home decor items that I'm getting, or, you know, how to save you some bucks. So that is all. So anyway, not to ramble, but thank you for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. And see you next time. I never met a tough cookie that wasn't sweet. Continue to be you, and see you later. Love you.